What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Lake Pro Tackle here. We are in the back of the shop with Tim. Tim is pretty fishy dude.
Yeah, fishy.
Little fishy. You know your lures?
Yeah, I know lures.
Yeah. So we are going to be doing a test here, Tim.
Yeah.
We're going to see your lure knowledge. We've got a bunch of different categories of lures. Your job is to feel them out.
Hard and soft?
Nope, just soft right now.
Okay.
This might be a two-part series. We've got a ton of lures we're going through. We got some craws, we got some worms, we got a bunch of different things.
Yeah.
You're gonna stick your arms in the box. You're gonna try to tell me what you think they are, and then
It might be a Bass Geek level 10 or
I mean, we'll see. We'll see if you're over 9,000. So let's go ahead and get them going here. All right, Tim, turn around for me, and I'll stick the first lure
Okay.
in the box. Let's see, what do we want to start with? Let's start a little easier, I think. How about that?
All right, ready?
Not quite. One sec. Let me show the camera. That's what we're working with, y'all. I'm gonna stick it right in there. All right, Tim, turn around.
All right.
Let me know what you think. Right there. There you go. Let me know what you're thinking as well.
Well,
What are you feeling?
it's
Plastic.
a variation. It could be a trick worm. It could be any big bite worm or something like that. But it's just a Zoom trick worm.
Okay. Is it locking in that guess?
Yes.
All right. Set her down. Turn around. I'd be very impressed if you got color as well.
Well, that would be like a clairvoyant right there. So.
All right. Showing the camera here. You are good to turn around. All right. Number 2. And most of these are brands that you should be pretty proficient with. Ones that we've worked with a lot.
This feels like maybe like a sensei worm or something like that.
Don't look at me. He's reading my face, y'all. He's looking at my face. I've got a bad poker face.
Yeah. So yeah, it's not trick worm. It's got too many ridges on it. Yeah, that's my guess.
Locking in a sensei worm?
So I think so.
Okay. All right.
Or maybe.
You can always go back. So
Okay.
here, I'll make you a little list here of kind of your guesses.
Yeah, it's definitely something. Yeah. That may be like a. That's my guess.
Yama Sensei. All right.
I think it's that though. I don't know. Maybe not. I have to come back to that.
We'll come back to that one. All right. So you were unsure on 2. All right. Turn around real quick. Do a quick spinny spin and come back in 3, 2, 1. All right. Number 3 here. What are we feeling, Tim? So what are some variations in the lures that you felt so far?
This is slick, no ribs. So it's probably like a robo worm of some sort. Yeah.
Lock in Robo?
Yeah.
Got a specific color or size that you want to note in there for extra points?
Aaron's Madness or something. How about that?
Okay. All right. Turn around here. Now we're going to move on to another category. So we're going to start with this one right here, everyone. All right, Tim. Number 4. What are we thinking?
Oh. It's either that's like a Senko. Yeah, it's a Senko.
What brand? See, I didn't think it would be hard to, find a Senko in there, but
I don't.
now you got to find the brand.
Oh, it's a dinger. Dinger Senko.
Locking in a dinger?
Yep. It's because it has this on it, Sam.
What is it?
It's got the hook slot.
Oh, it's got a hook slot. Okay. Okay. All right. Got this guy right here now. All right, Tim. Number 5.
That's an Ocho.
That's an Ocho. Locking it in.
Yeah.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. All right, Tim.
Oh, it's harder than you think when you're doing them all.
Yeah.
That's a Senko.
That's a Senko?
Yeah, yeah.
Number 6.
Yeah.
What brand?
Oh. Well, I'm thinking it's Yamamoto brand. It feels
Think
got
it's a Yama?
It's got salt all over in it, so yeah.
All right.
Oh, gotta turn off my stupid music started playing.
All right. Turn around there. We're gonna move on to another category here. We're gonna start with this bad boy right here. I'm gonna drop her in. All right. Number 7, Tim. New category.
Ooh, here we go.
I think these are gonna be the hardest.
No,
No?
no. This
You know-
is made by VMC.
Okay. Lock in BMC.
Craw, yeah.
Do you know the name? Or
It's their Wild Thing Craw, I think. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay. Lock that one in. Drop it straight down. Alright, let me see here. Let's bring up this guy. And you're good. Uh-oh. See some gears turning.
It's a Yamacraw.
Uh-oh. Like, no hesitation. Felt it out and was like, know what that one is. Alright, next one. Number 9. Am I trying to trick you on this one? Is there a dupe?
No, it's not a dupe. This is just a Rage Craw.
Locking that in?
Yep.
Alright, drop her down.
Yep, for sure. For sure, Rage Craw.
No hesitation. Alright, we're going to keep going here. Kind of similar category. Got this guy right here, and you can turn around. There we go. Number 10.
This is an X Zone.
Just no hesitation.
No
Just
hesitation. It's an
straight,
X-Zone.
straight X zone.
Yeah, X Zone Craw. Yeah.
What's it called?
What do they call the X Zone Craw? Just the X Zone Craw. It's like it's their knockoff version of a Z Craw.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, locking that one in. Number 10. Locked that one in. All right. And next one up, number 11.
Oh, that's just a Z Craw. No, yeah, it's a Z Craw. Yeah.
Locking it in.
Yep.
All right, drop her down. Now I think it's going to get a little bit harder.
Okay. Well.
All right. Check that one out, y'all. Number 12. Next one, we get to make Abby do it.
I can tell you what this is already. This is the Crush City Mayor.
Mayor, you say?
Mm-hmm.
You sure about that one?
For sure.
All right. Drop her down. I think this one's going to stump you.
Okay.
I think it might stump you.
Mm.
Number 13. Lucky number 13. Or unlucky number.
No, this ain't gonna stop me.
Hmm.
This is a Reaction Innovations little dipper. It's a skinny dipper.
Locking it in.
Mm-hmm. Or a knockoff of it, but that's what it is.
All right. Moving on to this bad boy. Little fish catching machine. All right, number 14. Almost done. We got this one and one left.
This is a Kitech. It's not the fat swing. It's just the swing impact. It's not the fat one. It's the skinny one. Yeah, but it's a Kitech.
All right. One left, Tim.
Okay.
One left. Think this one probably pretty easy in my opinion, but all right, here we go. Number 15. Thinking. Thinking. What's he thinking?
It's got eyes on it.
I think this one might stump you. It's reaching back into the memory bank.
What is it?
I believe in you. I don't think it's one that you use very often. And that's why I chose it.
It is Hazedong shad, megabass.
Locking that one in?
Yeah.
All right, so we went through all 15. You said number 2 and number 3 you were unsure about.
So that was
You want to go back to them? You said number 2 was the Yamamoto Sensei worm. And number 3 you said was the Robo worm.
Yeah, let me feel them again.
Okay. All right, I'll bring in number 2.
This is not worm bar stuff, right?
Nope.
It might be a Daiwa thing too. The Daiwa worm. Well, I don't know. That's my guess, but
That one's stumping you?
Yeah, I don't know the brand. It's just got so many ribs on it and stuff. It's just different. I know it's not. I know
It's dropping salt everywhere in there.
I know it's not. It's not any kind of trick worm or anything like that. It's either the Daiwa or the Sensei or something like that.
All right. And you want to go to number 3 again?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. What could it be? What could it be?
Maybe I don't know. What I said it was
You said it was the Robo worm.
I don't think it's real worm now. I think it might be a Strike King, like a Dream Shot or something like
Strike King Dream Shot.
that. A big one or something. I haven't fished these a lot lately. That's probably why I don't know what it is. So,
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. That's an I don't know. I probably missed those two, but that's what I think. All right.
So most of them you got right. You actually got 13 out of 15.
Yeah, that's 2 worms.
Yep, those 2 worms. So you got the Zoom Trick worm.
Yeah, that goes right. Yeah.
Number 2, you said was the Yamamoto Sensei worm. That was number 3.
Okay. And
Number 2 was the Divine.
Oh, yep. That's why. Yep.
Divine Shaky Head worm by 6 cents.
6 cents. Yep. Yep.
Yep. And then everyone else you got right. You got the Yum Dinger because of the hook slot. You got the Ocho.
Correct.
Got the Yamasenko.
Yep.
Got, you said BMC, but I knew what you meant, B&M.
Yeah, it's a V&M wild thing. Yep.
Wild Craw.
Yep.
Yama Craw.
Yep, that was
Pretty new.
Yeah, yeah. Rage Craw.
Rage
yeah.
Craw.
Yeah.
And then you got the Adrenaline Craw Pretty Quick.
Mm-hmm.
Got the Z Craw.
Yep.
And then you even got the little Hasdong.
I could not,
Mare.
because it feels
Kitech.
It feels a lot like a Kitech, but
Skinny
it had
Dipper.
the eyes on it. Is what my little brain went,
Like,
squirrel
oh.
start running, and then it finally kicked in. Oh, they have eyes on them.
Yep. So you did pretty good, Tim.
Yeah.
So big round of applause
I
for
noticed,
you.
I noticed you didn't give me like easy Tim ones like
No.
Chigger Craw.
Like a little Super Trooper.
Super
No, you
Troop.
just smell your hand.
Yeah,
You're like,
yeah.
you know?
Yeah. So that was fun.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to see Tim do one to me, I know I've got a lot of the more obvious ones, but maybe we can reach in the deep pits of the plastic land out there and make something happen. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one you think would be the hardest to get out of here. I definitely think that, tripping you up with the Hasdong was pretty good, and then, the wild thing was probably one of the harder ones.
I did have one. I did said Sensei. Just had
just the wrong order.
Okay, but okay. So
Yep.
I was pretty. All right.
Yeah, but we'll see you next time, guys.